that people are afraid to be upfront when there's an incident, when in fact their input is the most important one for you to be able to get to the root cause. So I think the way I handle things is that I let them know that they can put their confidence in me, and that they can, we can redact some of the things, but we need to get to the bottom of it. We shouldn't be
Mm.
omitting anything. We can redact, you can say something to me at the back of, your sidebars. But as somebody that's leading the incidents, I really need to know where we're at. So whether or not you say it in a report or you say it to me in confidence, then I think the confidence of them saying that to me, and they know that I'll be protecting them with just the best outcome in mind.